In this video, you will learn how to add or delete data point from Microsoft Excel graph. Currently, you can see here I have generated a simple line graph and multiple line graph using this set of data. Firstly, I have generated both these graphs using 5 data points. Later on, I have included 3 data points. For example, in this graph, you can see here data points are from January to May. Later on, I have included 3 data points and these data points are June, July and August. I have included these data points in simple line graph as well as in multiple line graph. In addition, you will also learn how to delete the data point from existing graph. You don't need to generate a separate graph. You can add or delete data point in existing graph without changing the format. So let's learn how to add or delete data point in Microsoft Excel graph. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, firstly I will generate simple and multiple line graphs. I will select this data, go to insert option, and here is the option of line graph. Select this one and I will select line graph with marker. Now using these handle, I will resize it. Now I will generate a multiple line graph. I will select this data, go to insert option, again go to line graph and I will select line graph with marker. Using these handles, I will again resize it. I will place it here. Now you can see here I have data point from January to June. I want to include 2 data point, July and August. Press enter, August. Enter data here 230 and 250. I will add data here 220 and 230. Now I will select this graph. Now you can see here I have selected simple line graph. Here you can observe a blue line. It indicates that this data is used to generate this graph. Now I will place my cursor at the corner of this blue line. Then a double arrow sign appeared. I will drag it down to include other data points. Now you can see here July and August data points are included in our graph. You can repeat similar procedure for multiple bar graph. Currently you can see here it has data point from January to June. I will click on this graph. Now you can see here a blue line appeared around this data. It means that this data is used to generate this graph. Now place your cursor at the end of this data at the corner. Now you can see here a double arrow sign appeared. I will drag it down to include other data points. Now let's check the result. Now you can see here July and August data points are included in our graph. Now you will learn how to remove data point from existing graph without changing the format. Firstly, I will select simple line graph. Click here. At the corner you will find multiple option, which is the chart element option and chart style and filter option. Select this filter option. You will find different options under category of values. From here I will deselect February and May. Click on apply. Now you can see here February and May data points are excluded from our graph. If I again select these ones and click on apply, now you will observe that these data points are included back in our graph. If you click anywhere on this sheet, then this option will disappear. For example, I will click here. Now you can see here this option is disappeared. You can repeat similar procedure for multiple bar graph. Click on this graph. At the corner you will find the option of filter. Select this option. From here I will exclude March and April data point. Click on apply. Now you can see here March and April data points are excluded from our graph. I will again click here and click on apply. Now you can see here these are added back to our graph. So by using these options You can easily include or exclude data point from Microsoft Excel graph. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.